guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be talking about hyaluronic acids. Now if you've been following me for quite some time, you all know that I absolutely love this ingredient. I talk about it all the time and I love to incorporate it in a morning or a nighttime skincare routine. But I'm going to be sharing my favorite hyaluronic acid products, and these are the ones that I honestly feel like are the best. Now I have tried many hyaluronic acid products before, from serums to of course cleansers, moisturizers, you name it. You can find hyaluronic acid in a lot of products nowadays, but I do have quite the collection when it comes to hyaluronic acids, so I am going to be sharing my favorites. But before we get into it, if you could please like this video, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. By doing so, you will always be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I do upload videos every single week. So let's talk hyaluronic acid. So this is a humectant, and this is a great ingredient to incorporate to give your skin more of a moisturized and hydrated feel to it. This ingredient will hold on to and attract 1,000 times its weight in moisture. So when you apply hyaluronic acid to your skin, it will actually draw in the moisture in the air into your skin to give you a plumper look to your skin. This will plump up those fine lines and give you a plumper look. And I really do find that hyaluronic acid really does the trick for this. I always love the way that my skin looks when I apply hyaluronic acid because it gives that nice, youthful, plump look to it, but it also keeps your skin really hydrated and moisturized as well. There is a proper way of applying hyaluronic acid, and if you don't apply it correctly, then you will not see a plumper look to your skin, and your skin will also feel more dry as well. So the way to apply hyaluronic acid serums to your skin is to apply them to a damp face. So after you've cleansed your skin, make sure that your skin is still damp. Then go and apply your hyaluronic acid serum on top. This will allow the hyaluronic acid to penetrate into your skin a lot better. You will get better absorption this way as well. Before your hyaluronic acid dries up, you want to make sure that you apply your moisturizer on top of your skin while your skin is still damp from the hyaluronic acid serum. And this is really important because you want to lock in that hydration while your skin is still damp. And this will allow you to have a plumper look to your skin, and this will allow you to have more of a hydrated, moisturized feel to the skin as well. If you don't do this and you apply hyaluronic acid to a dry face and then you let that dry up completely before you apply a moisturizer, then you are not going to get the benefits from the hyaluronic acid. So make sure that you keep your skin damp when you apply it to your skin, and make sure that your skin is still damp when you apply your moisturizer. Now, if there are other serums that you want to apply with your hyaluronic acid, that is completely fine as well. Same idea, before your hyaluronic acid dries up, apply your next serum, then apply your next product, and then make sure that you lock in all of that with a moisturizer while your face is still damp, and you will get the same benefits. So the first hyaluronic acid product that I really love is by Hada Labo Tokyo, and this is the Gokujyun Premium Lotion. I really love this product because of how thin in consistency this is. It's honestly like water, and it sits nicely on the skin. I never experience any type of pilling when I use this product in particular because of how thin it is. Now, you wouldn't believe how many people have asked me, why is my skincare products pilling? These are the products that I am using. And I usually always respond back and say, it could be your hyaluronic acid, because I do experience pilling from time to time with hyaluronic acid products. I don't know what it is, but I do experience it, but I never experience it with this one because of how thin in texture this is. The thicker the hyaluronic acid is, I feel like you have a better chance with pilling from my experience. So this is a great one to incorporate to eliminate pilling altogether. But this has 5 different types of hyaluronic acids in it, which is another reason why I love this. So when I apply this one to my skin, I do notice a plumper look because of the 5 different types of hyaluronic acids. This is also lightweight, it's not very sticky on the skin either, and I believe this retailed for around $27 Canadian, and I highly recommend. I do have another favorite hyaluronic acid product from Hada, Labo, Tokyo, and it's the Skin Plumping Gel Cream. I actually don't have one on hand to share with all of you, so I did insert an image right here. I did finish up this product not too long ago, and I did share it in my last MD's video, and I did say that I wasn't going to pick it up right now because I have so many other products that I need to use up first, but in the near future I will be picking up this product again because it's so good. So this one does have a thicker texture to it. It is a gel cream and it really is like a jelly. So if that is not something that you would like, then I would say go with the Gokujyun lotion. But I do find this product to be more hydrating than the Gokujyun lotion. Now this one has 3 types of hyaluronic acid ingredients. This one also has arginine, which is amino acids. It also has ceramides to help with your skin's barrier, and there is collagen in this product as well. So I do like this product better than the Gokujyun lotion because of the collagen and the added ingredients. This one does not pill either, and even considering that it is a thicker consistency, I never experience pilling. This is another product that you could apply on its own without using other serums with it because it does have the added ingredients to the product. So I really do love this one. Same idea. Apply it to a damp face and lock it in with a moisturizer. And this one is more expensive than the Gokujyun lotion. I believe this one retailed for around $53 Canadian. I can't remember offhand, but it is pricier. But I honestly believe that this one is a little bit more effective than the Gokujyun lotion in my opinion. But I highly recommend this one also. The next hyaluronic acid product is one of my favorites and it is just so good. It's by NIOD and it's the multi-molecular hyaluronic complex. And I'm telling you right now, this is a hyaluronic acid product that I have never ever used before. It is so different from anything that I have ever purchased, and the formula is different, the texture is different. It doesn't even look like a hyaluronic acid serum in my opinion. It doesn't have that jelly, watery serum texture. It's honestly more of an oil looking type of product, even though it's oil free. So this has 15 types of hyaluronic compounds. There is marine hyaluronics in here along with several other hyaluronic acid compounds, and this is just so unique. So this is pricier. I do have the 30 ml size and this does retail at $60 Canadian, but there is a 15 ml option as well, and I believe that retails for $35 Canadian. And this is just incredible. So I apply this to a damp face, I lock it in with a moisturizer, and I just love it. So let me show you the consistency because like I said, it's so different. As you can see, it does have a different color to it. And when I apply it to my hand, it's honestly like water, but it doesn't have that gel texture like all the other hyaluronic acid serums have. So as you can see, it looks pretty watery. And this one does spread across the skin nicely as well. So a little bit goes a long way. You really only need 3 or 4 drops of this and it absorbs so quickly. This is not tacky or sticky in the least. So if you don't like hyaluronic acid serums that are tacky and that are sticky, then this one is going to be a great option because you don't get that whatsoever with this one. Like any hyaluronic acid product, you can use these every day, twice a day if you wanted to. And there is a 6-month shelf life once you've opened up the product. And I really do love this. If you want something that is different, that has a different consistency to it, non-sticky, and that has 15 types of hyaluronic compounds, then this is it. I highly, highly recommend. I also quite enjoy the Inkey List Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is at a 2% strength, but there is also Matrixyl 3000 in here, which is a peptide. So this is great for anti-aging as well, for fine lines and wrinkles. The texture is very similar to the ordinary, and this one does have a little bit of a tacky feel to it, but I actually quite enjoy it, and it sits nicely on the skin as well. Now, of course, I have to include the ordinary hyaluronic acid Acid 2% plus B5 in this video because this is a product that I've talked about a lot. I really do love this one, and this is one of the hyaluronic acid products that I've been using the longest. This one does not have peptides in it, it just has the hyaluronic acid. I do have the 60 ml size, which I believe retails for around $12 Canadian, but the 30 ml size is $6.80 Canadian, and this one has a 12-month shelf life. And the Inkey list also, oh no, actually the Inkey list has a 6-month shelf life once opened. You can't go wrong with either one. They are both affordable and effective. The next serum that I really do like is from Cerave, and this is the Hydrating Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. Now this is quite different from the other serums that I just mentioned because the texture and the formulation is more like a cream, but once you start applying it to your skin and you start massaging it in, it turns into a serum. So I do like the formula. It's pretty unique, and I think that if you want something different from a water-based serum, then this will be a great option. Now this one also has ceramides in it to help with your skin's barrier. There is also vitamin B5, and you are getting 30 mils of product. I can't remember offhand how much I paid for this product, but if I had to take a guess, I think it was around $14.99 Canadian, somewhere around there. But once you start applying this all over, it just turns into a water-based serum. I just think this is so cool how this works. So a little bit does go a long way with this product because it's like a cream, but it just spreads so nicely across the skin. So you only need one pump for your face, and you may need to add a little bit more for your neck depending on how much you want to apply. This is also a product that doesn't leave your skin sticky or tacky. So I do enjoy using this, but I do have to be completely honest with you because my channel is about giving you an honest review and being authentic and transparent. I do sometimes experience pilling with this product, and I don't understand why. I'm assuming it's because it's more of a cream that turns into a serum. I don't know. I haven't been able to put my finger on it yet, but obviously it's reacting with some of my other skincare products. So I don't experience it all the time, but I do experience it once in a while. And again, I can't tell you why it's doing that, but I do want to let you know that it's possible that you could experience that, but you could experience that with any of the hyaluronic acid products that I'm sharing in today's video. Hyaluronic acid can sometimes do this, and like I said, I don't know why it does it, but it can happen. So I do like this one. I think it's a great option, especially if you want something different besides a water-based serum, and you can't go wrong with Cerave. It's a great brand. And the last hyaluronic acid product that is my newest addition to my collection is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Moist Cream. So this is your moisturizer. And I've been using this non-stop since I picked it up over a month ago. I did review this product along with the Isntree Green Tea Toner. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave it below for you as well as up here. But I love it. It gives my skin a dewy look. It makes my skin glow, and I do get a plumper look with it as well. I am wearing this moisturizer today, and as you can see, I just have such a nice glow going on, and I live for that look. I love a youthful, dewy look to the skin. I can't stand matte looking skin on myself. I need to have some sort of a dewy look to it, and this is honestly going to be a great product to achieve that without makeup. So it's fabulous. This also has 5 different types of hyaluronic acids in it, and there's a lot of other added ingredients as well, like shea butter and safflower seed oil, which is a great hydrator. I do believe I paid around $30 Canadian for this, and you are getting 100 mils of product. So I will show you what this looks like on the back of my hand. And this also spreads really nicely as well, so a little bit goes a long way, and your skin just absorbs this so quickly. Like I said, you will be left with a dewy finish to your skin, so if that's not something that you enjoy, then this moisturizer won't be for you. But if you have dry skin, sensitive skin, or even oily normal skin, this will still be a great moisturizer to incorporate, and I highly recommend. So those are my top hyaluronic acid products that are my holy grails. I can't live without this ingredient in my skincare routine. It really makes a world of a difference, and I really do see amazing results when I have it incorporated some way, somehow. Whether it's in a moisturizer, a serum, you can also get hyaluronic acid in cleansers as well. But of course, those ones won't be as effective because you are washing the product off. It's best to have a product that is going to be left on your skin, like a serum or a moisturizer. So I really hope that you found this video helpful. I hope that I was able to recommend some products as well. I will have everything linked below for you if you are interested in looking into some of these products. And of course, I will see you all in my next video. So take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.